Welcome friends, welcome to my YouTube channel of astrologer Anil Agarwal. Today we have talked about the peak of coronavirus. Today we will be talking when we will start having an ease, a respite from coronavirus, especially when the second wave is there in operation. Stars foretell South Node Ketu disease Karka leaving just the star on the 10th May 2021 will be instrumental because Jesta star is the most venomous star, and I've already explained in all my articles. It is a Dhron and a Tishna star, and all the diseases, cancer, lingering and crippling diseases are seen from this star and this sign Scorpio, because it is in the sign Scorpio, and the world most tragic events take place when they are malefics in the sign Scorpio, especially in Jesta. And whenever there is affliction to any planet which is in Jesta star, and we have seen that Mars was afflicting Ketu till the 14th of April, and we have seen what are the situations now. The situations are the virus is on the peak. 19th April onwards, I had predicted that after 19th, Moon is a postman and there will be lockdowns implemented because Moon is with Mars, and Mars is aspecting Moon, and Mars will aspect Moon on the 24th, but on the day 19th, Mars and Moon were together. So it was showing that whatever has to happen, the government decisions would be taken on the 19th of April 2021, and my predictions for that also prove spot on. For emergency-like situations, we have already seen the number of cases, the exponential growth in the number of cases. But a good news is, by the grace of God, Ketu will leave Jesta Nakshatra on the 9th March at late night 23:10 hours. So we can say that after 10th of May 2021 we will start getting some respite, and Rahu and Ketu also change Namamshan, they become Vargottam. And as per comparing with the Spanish flu parameter, I find that there will be some respite. And then comparing these planetary positions as per the 24th, 25th April in the Rashi and Nakshatra Sangata Chakra with planets on 17th. In fact, on 17th there will be no Veda between Mars and Saturn. There is no Veda of Ketu with Sun, Venus, Mercury, and which was earlier at the time of 24th, 25th April. And although in the Rashi Sangata Chakra there is affliction to all the planets, but Ketu is not involved. On the 24th, 25th, Ketu is involved. So it clearly shows that Ketu is giving us some relief. But friends, the total ease in virus will come slowly in stages. The next date is 19th of August, then 20th of September, then 5th of December, when Mars moves to Scorpio and joins Ketu. It completes its 180-degree cycle from where it had started with Rahu, the Angarak Yoga. Then on the 17th of March, when it leaves, Rahu and Ketu leave the sign Taurus and Scorpio. And then finally on the 7th and 8th February 2023, when we have parallel situations like coronavirus, and coronavirus had totally disappeared. The planetary positions are exactly similar to coronavirus. I'm really amazed to see what all happened is happening similarly. The things are happening now. So with the grace of God, the good news is that after 10th May and 16th May 2021, we will start to see there will be, although the number of cases will start reducing much before, but you will see substantial reduction in the number of cases in the spikes, especially after the 10th May and 16th May 2021. Another good news will be that since Ketu will not be in Jyestha, it will be in Anuradha, in a gentle and a Mridu star, and its Lord is placed in own house, and Saturn is the Karka for longevity in own house, will be good. So the vaccine will also start to give good response after the 10th of May. Maybe new vaccines are developed, whatever, you will wait and see. Things will be much better off, but they will improve in a slow pace. So that's all, friends. I just wanted to share a very good news. We have discussed all the negatives. Now let us also discuss the positive. As I said, that after every night there is a bright day, and let us look for a bright day. But total 100 days, as I have already mentioned, full precautions have to be taken till 20th of July 2021. So that's all, friends. This is all I wanted to share. Have a good day. Best of luck. And thank you for listening to me.